Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott and today we're going to bring it back to the basics. As you can see, I'm just using a 30 skinny that I got from AB Designs, as well as Baby Lizard from AB Designs, which is a beautiful, beautiful color shift. When using color shifts, you want to have your base paint black. So I personally love using the fresh wet paint as my glitter method because then I can avoid all of the wait time as well as any other spray adhesives, and I don't have to deal with Mod Podge. Now when doing a wet paint glitter method, make sure you allow for the dry time before you seal your tumbler with your clear matte from Rust-Oleum. So I will let this tumbler sit off for approximately 1 hour to 2, and then I will seal all of the glitter in. So I just like to press my bottoms down into all of the glitter and then sprinkle on the bottom if I've missed any little tiny sections. Once you're complete and you're satisfied with the glitter application, go ahead and tap off any of the excess glitter. So here you can see I already applied the first coat of Quick Set from Glitter Craze onto the tumbler. I do a lot of epoxy coats on camera, so I decided to skip that first step. Here I really wanted to show you the importance of sanding down your tumbler before applying your second coat prior to your vinyl or printable vinyl decals. It's super important that your tumbler is nice and smooth, otherwise your decal application is going to be lumpy and bumpy. So you really want to make sure you sand and re-epoxy in between and before your decal application. As with any epoxy coats, make sure you use your torch to pop any bubbles that you may or may not be able to see. And again, depending on your climate, allow this to completely dry before attempting to apply your decal. And now we're ready. The tumbler is nice and smooth. It's perfect for a decal. So today I'm going to use the mandala design that has the word faith in it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I chose white because we wanted this to be as simple and elegant as possible. So go ahead and carefully pull off the backing. And I don't measure, I honestly just eyeball. And I wanted this to kind of be at a tilt on the tumbler. So again, tilted and in the center as best as possible. So this image is about 4 by 4. So I wanted to be very careful when placing it, and I did not want to have any ripples or wrinkles within it. So we're going to place it directly in the center and work our way out from one side to the other. And because they're intricate cuts and I have those lines and those very tiny dots, you want to be very careful and take your time when pulling off the backing of your transfer sheet. Once you've gotten your decal placed on your tumbler and everything is spot on, you are now ready to go ahead and apply your final coat of your favorite epoxy. And that's it. One and done. Super easy. You can literally have this cup done in one day, providing that you have Lickety Split from KS and or Quick Set from Glitter Craze. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in on this very simple back to the basics tumbler tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon.